Hi my viewers and listeners of Awilewa TV. Today we are going to start the series of episodes of Excel for data analysis. We are going to see the first episode of Introduction to Excel for data analysis. Data analysis is the process of inspecting, cleansing, transforming, and modeling data to discover useful information, inform conclusions, and support decision-making. Excel is a powerful tool for data analysis, offering a wide range of features for data manipulation, visualization, and statistical analysis. Steps to performing data analysis in Excel. 1. Import data. Begin by importing your data into Excel. This can be done from various sources, such as CSV files, text files, databases, or directly from web pages. 2. Data cleaning. Data cleaning involves identifying and correcting errors, inconsistencies, and missing values in the dataset. This step ensures the data is accurate and reliable for subsequent analysis. 3. Data exploration. Once the data is clean, explore it to gain an understanding of its structure, trends, and patterns. This can involve examining summary statistics, creating charts, and using pivot tables. 4. Data transformation. Transform the data as needed to make it suitable for analysis. This may involve converting data types, creating calculated columns, or merging datasets. 5. Statistical analysis. Apply appropriate statistical techniques to analyze the data. This could include calculating central tendency measures, dispersion measures, probability distributions, and statistical tests. 6. Data visualization. Create informative and visually appealing charts and graphs to communicate the results of the data analysis. Use appropriate chart types and formatting to effectively convey insights. 7. Interpretation and reporting. Interpret the results of the data analysis and draw meaningful conclusions. Summarize the findings in a clear and concise report, supported by relevant charts and graphs. 8. Iterate and refine. Data analysis is an iterative process. Revisit previous steps and refine the analysis as needed to gain deeper insights and address any limitations. Excel provides a rich set of features for data analysis, including data manipulation tools, functions for data entry, data editing, data sorting, and data filtering. Formulas and calculation functions. A wide range of formulas and functions to perform calculations, data transformations, and statistical analysis. Pivot tables and pivot charts. Powerful tools for summarizing, analyzing, and visualizing data in a tabular format. Data visualization tools. A variety of chart types, including pie charts, bar charts, line charts, and scatter plots, to visualize data patterns and trends. Statistical data analysis tools. Functions for descriptive statistics, hypothesis testing, and regression analysis. Learning Excel for data analysis can be a valuable skill for various professions, including finance, marketing, business analytics, and scientific research. It enables individuals to extract meaningful insights from data, make informed decisions, and support evidence-based decision-making. Thank you for listening this first episode of Introduction. Don't miss the next episodes for more lessons about data analysis in Excel. My name is Maximilian Crescent Temba. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, click like and share the link. Have a good day.